Hi, in front of me is TCL 25G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications on this device. First of all, open Play Store, click on the search bar and type DevCheck. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. As you can see, all specifications are over here, like for example, battery status, network, and even sensors. But you can also go into device settings over here, scroll all the way down, click on System, tap on About Phone, and as you can see, some specifications are over here as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!